Alright, so I'm making my own version of deep heating herbal balm, Professor Cayenne. So this has olive oil, capsicum, oil of wintergreen, pure distilled mint crystals, other oils as fragrances in an untreated wax base. So what I'm going to do is, I had some of the oil in here, the cayenne oil, in fact. See, cayenne oil. And I poured it in here. There is about, I measured it on my little scale, about a third a cup. Well, 2.3 ounces, and it's a third a cup. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of beeswax and 2 tablespoons of shea butter. This is my big bag of shea butter I've had for a long time. I've just never used it. I went ahead and already dipped it in there 2 times. This is my double boiler. It's already melted. So now I need to get the beeswax in there. I'm going to take this and this, and yeah, this whatever. There we go. Alright, here we go. Actually, I think I want to weigh them. So here we go. We're going to weigh. In ounces. Let's see, I'll just use this. You know what? I'm going to use this. This is what I used before. So here we go. Carrot. Now we're going to do 1 tablespoon. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons. 0.6 ounces. 0.6 ounces or 2 tablespoons. Okay. Actually, there it is right here. Ta-da! I already wrote it on there. Okay, here we go. A couple left in there. Come on. Alright, I'm going to turn this on kind of a medium just to get this warmed up a bit. And melt the wax here. The water is hot. I'm just turning it back on. Good thing I have a gas stove. It heats up really fast. This is my beautiful cayenne. It also has ginger. So cayenne and ginger. That's why it's so concentrated color here. And then I strained it the other day. There we go. That's so nice. Okay, I don't want it to get too hot, so I'm going to use my, okay, 136. I'm going to turn that down. Actually, I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to let it just melt the wax. You see over here I have tallow, but I need to render it down a little bit more. It has a little bit of the beefy smell still. So I've rendered it quite a few times, but I'm just going to keep doing it until I don't smell the beef. Otherwise, I probably would have used a little bit of that in this, but we're not going to do that this time around. It'll just be the shea and the beeswax. That's beautiful. Look at that. it's all melted, I'm going to pour it. Oops, you know what? I need to get a paper towel. Okay, I'm going to dry this out because we don't want water in there. My husband came in from outside and started talking with me, so I just figured I'd just turn off the volume here and you can see what I'm doing. Going to pour this into these beautiful little tins. Okay. Well, I'm going to have to heat that up really quick. Started cooling down quickly. Out the last little bit. Come on, little bit. Well, it's just being stubborn. It just dries off real quick, so we're just going to scoop all that and go like so. That one will be mine. Oh man, I was going to add some essential oils. Well, let's see. Yeah, darn. You know what? What should I do? Okay, here we go. Alright, poor little things. I'm just gonna have to do this the messy way. I can't believe I actually forgot to put all my essential oils in it. So, just gonna have to put it all back in there and re-warm it up and pour it back in. So, big messy process right now. Very messy this way. Apparently these ones are still pretty hot. But I really want those essential oils in there. So, it doesn't matter. It's going to be ugly. It's okay. Right here, I'm just going to be melting everything together, melting it down so I can pour it again after I add my essential oils. And apparently I forgot to video me adding the essential oils, but that's okay because they are in there, so that's good. I'm gonna wipe my hands off. The whole point was to add my own essential oils, some essential oils in there, so I had to do it. Here I'm just melting it to add the essential oils and, you know, just trying to speed it up a bit. Right here I'm just pouring everything back in the little tins, and it was kind of loud. I had my husband and my son came in, was making some noise and stuff, so I just figured I'd just turn off the audio because it was just kind of, you know, loud. I'm just wiping off the tins because it got pretty messy when I had to scoop it all out and put it in the pot. You know, everything takes time, but that was really messy. Other than that, just clean up. Didn't it turn out pretty? As soon as I'm done cleaning up, I'm going to redo this tallow, re-render the tallow. I notice it's best to clean up right after because it's a big mess after it dries. So while it's warm, it's best to clean up. And one suggestion is to not use the rubber spatulas when you're doing any minty, peppermint type stuff because it will keep the smell in the spatula.